Welcome back, student. In this video, we will discuss this theorem कि in a non-linear space, every weak Cauchy sequence is bounded. Okay. Before discussing this theorem, firstly I will tell you the definition of weak Cauchy sequence. What is weak Cauchy sequence? तो weak Cauchy sequence में basically क्या होता है? Some Cauchy sequence is given to you. Okay. So image of that, let xn is some Cauchy sequence, then image of this xn, f of xn, where f is the functional. It is also a Cauchy sequence of elements for f belonging to x star. Okay. अगर xn Cauchy sequence है तो उस पर किसी भी फंक्शनल को you will apply, that sequence is also a Cauchy sequence of elements of x. This is the definition of weak Cauchy sequence. Now I will use this thing to show here कि every weak Cauchy sequence is bounded. Basically what we will do, we will take help from the uniform boundedness principle and then embedding theorem we will introduce here. And after that, by the help of those two theorems, I will show कि weak Cauchy sequence is bounded. All right. Now let us proceed. Proof में let xn is weak Cauchy sequence. If xn is weak Cauchy sequence, what by definition we can say कि this imply f of xn is some Cauchy sequence of elements, Cauchy sequence for f belonging in x star. This thing I can say. Now by embedding theorem, introducing embedding theorem here. Now by embedding theorem, what can I say? Embedding theorem say x to x double star. Okay. मैंने x से x डबल स्टार पे एक मैपिंग डिफाइन की. व्हाट वाज दैट मैपिंग कि x is equal to x is mapping to f of x. Okay. Now what this f of x? This f of x is again a function where f of x is the function from x star to f defined as देखो from x star what will come, some functional will come, it will move to this f of x. All right. Now this is the field of scalars. और जब भी हमारे पास if we have some field of scalars तो that will directly belong to real space or complex space. And we know कि real space and complex space both are complete space. So every Cauchy sequence in those two spaces will converge there. All right. But the same thing, f of xn, it will move to f of xn, है ना? But here f of xn is a sequence of scalars. f of xn किसकी सीक्वेंस है? स्केलर्स की सीक्वेंस है. दिस इम्प्लाई इट इज बिलोंगिंग इन R और C, है ना? इट इज बिलोंगिंग इन R और C and it is complete. So f of xn sequence is यहाँ पे क्या था? It is a Cauchy sequence. Now I have shown कि f of xn is convergent. Now if it is convergent then it is bounded as well as unique limit point it will have. ठीक है. Now I need the property boundedness. अब boundedness से what I will imply? It is bounded. If it is bounded तो supremum over n f of xn over f is equal to supremum over n f of xn. It will be something finite. Okay. Now one more thing, by embedding theorem what way we can say कि f of x over f की जो norm है, this norm is equal to norm of f of x, it is equal to norm of x. For all x it is happening. How I can say this? I can say this by the isometry property that we introduced in this embedding theorem. Embedding theorem के अंदर we introduced this property, and by that theorem I am writing it directly here. Okay, if you have any doubt, so already I had made the video on this embedding theorem, you can check in the playlist. Okay, by uniform boundedness principle, okay, by uniform boundedness principle, what can I say? This f of xn over f is bounded set of numbers. I am using this principal statement directly here. इस पे भी एक वीडियो बनी हुई है. Okay, you can check that. And by this f of xn is bounded. From this what can I say? F of xn is bounded because it is equal to this norm, and it is equal to this norm of x. So from here xn is bounded set of numbers. All right, so from here I can say directly कि sequence xn is bound. हो गया इतना कि sequence xn क्या है? Bounded है. Now there is a corollary based on this theorem, and what was that कि किसी भी non linear space के अंदर जो if your sequence xn is converging weakly to some number, so there is some constant m which bounds your sequence. क्या है कि अगर आपके पास xn कोई Cauchy sequence है तो there will be some positive constant or positive real number that will bound your sequence. All right, now xn is weak Cauchy sequence, weakly converging to some x. Now if xn is weakly converging to some x, xn converges to x weakly, so f of xn will converge to f of x. If f of xn is converging to f of x, so I can say it is a Cauchy sequence. Okay, now if it is a Cauchy sequence where f belongs to some x star, so by the help of this theorem can I directly say your xn is bounded set of some numbers. If it is bounded set of some numbers, so there exists m greater than 0 such that norm of x is less than m. I can say this. All right.